Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to change your Google Meet name by using your Android mobile or iOS iPhone. And here I show the steps for Google Meet app users as well as Google Meet PC users. But friends, there is no possible to change the Google Meet name by without changing the Gmail name, because this Google Meet name is assigned by based on your Gmail ID name, and this Gmail ID name is also used in your YouTube channel name. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Google Meet mobile application. So now in this homepage section, in top of right side corner, it shows my Gmail profile picture. So I try to press on it and then go to manage your Google account. And my Google account settings are ready to use. So here you can select personal info tab and the second one. So here it shows my Google account name and this is also used in my Google Meet. So I try to press on it and then it shows my first name as well as last names. So you can enter the new name. So once you enter the new name and also save these changes. So after you save these changes and your Google Meet name is also changed to new one, and this is for Google Meet app users. So next method is for Google Meet PC users. So for PC users, just click to access this Google Meet official website. So once you open this website, so now in this section, in top of right side, it also shows the same Google profile picture icon. So just press on it and then go to manage your Google account. And this is Google account settings. So now in this section, in left side, it shows some options. So here you can go to personal info and the second one, and then click to open your Google profile name. And here also it asks for the same first name and last names. So you can enter the details. So once you put your informations and then click to save these changes. So after you save these changes, now your Google Meet new name is ready to use. So this is the way you can easily change your Google Meet name by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.